What's up, everyone? Let's talk about this penny stock that could be the next big boost to your portfolio by 10x. Yes, I believe this stock has the potential to be a 10x bagger. I was working on a video on BNGO, ZOM, IDEX, and TTOO, but changed my mind since I think this stock would be a better opportunity for the quantum finance community members to capitalize on. I just want everyone to go make lots of mullahs. In this video, I will share with you the news catalyst that's driving up the share price, provide you a technical analysis, my price prediction, and what I plan to do next. So you might want to watch all the way to the end of the video, so stick around. Swadikap, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. In my prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. The company name is BevCanna Enterprises Inc, or ticker BEV on the Canadian Stock Exchange, or BVNNF on the OTCQB, or aka the venture market, which is the middle tier of the OTC market for US, or under the ticker symbol 7BC on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. BevCanna is based in British Columbia, Canada. They develop and manufacture cannabinoid infused beverage using the THC and CBD for both cannabis and hemp, and consumer products for in-house brands and white label clients. White label products are basically sold by retailers with their own branding and logo, but the products themselves are manufactured by BevCanna. The BevCanna team has demonstrated an expertise unmatched in the emerging cannabis beverage category, with decades of experience in creating, branding, and distributing iconic brands that have resonated with its consumer on a global scale. This is a bet on the jockey of the company, as they have proven ability to create a market-dominating company. BevCanna recently merged with Naturo Group Investment Inc. The transaction will create the only fully licensed in-house and white label beverage manufacturing company that distribute both conventional and cannabis-based beverage and wellness products. The newly formed company will now have access to global, multinational distribution networks of traditional and cannabis sales channels. In this acquisition, they will also own the brand Trace, which currently enjoys a leadership position within the Canadian plant-based fulvic and humic mineral category. Trace is sold in more than 3,000 Canadian retailers, with selected international agreement and partnership under review. Trace is expanding its product selection and is incorporating additional nutraceuticals, including cannabinoids, adaptogens, and nootropics into its products to be sold in domestic and international markets. The company now has an unfair advantage as it owns the exclusive rights to a pristine spring water aquifer, an alkaline spring water source, and access to world-class 40,000 square foot HACCP certified manufacturing facility with a currently bottling capacity of up to 210 million bottles per year. They recently acquired the US natural health and wellness e-commerce platform Pure Therapy. BevCanna's vision is to be a global leader in infused innovations. Essentially, this makes them a vertical integrated manufacturer. Let's look at its daily chart. On Friday, it closed at 91.48 cents on 178% of normal volume. It was up 8.99 cents or 10.9%. It traded on a lower Bollinger Band area and it is expanding. MACD lines recently crossed, signaling a new bullish uptrend. RSI is heading into the stochastic overbought area, but don't expect any sell-off anytime soon. It formed a very bullish candlestick pattern. It traded above the 50 DMA. Price is moving higher in the trend channel. Watch out for a breakup above the 98 cents level. If confirmed, this will run into the $1.50 to $2 range. This stock can run to a $2 to $3 range in a couple weeks time. I do see this to be a $7 to $10 stock by end of year. Here's a recent news catalyst that's driving up BVNNF share price. On February 11, 2021, BevCanna filed with the SEDAR, and as per Naturo's latest independent estimate pricing report on January 2021, Naturo's enterprise value is between about 37 million to 38 million Canadian dollars. You can click on the link below to read this in details. On Friday, February 12th, after market close, BevCanna now holds a license issued by the Health Canada under the cannabis regulation to process cannabis. You can also click the link below to read in details. The company recently announced that it has completed a 5 million Canadian dollar capital injection direction. Investors trusted this company and believe in it so much in its strategic long term that they actually paid 40% above Friday's closing price, even higher when the offering was signed. Additionally, they accepted warrants with an exercise price of $2 Canadian, which is 85% above Friday's close. BevCanna further converted debt into warrants, improving their balance sheet by decreasing the debts. This shows that investors are bullish on these stocks and are optimistic about a continuing upward trend. This is critical and a fantastic news for a young and growing company as they secured funds that is much needed to grow and expand the business domestically and internationally. BevCanna now has over 55 million Canadian dollars in assets in the balance sheet and a multi-channel sales and distribution network positioned for growth in domestic and international markets. On top of this, one of the investors in BevCanna is Keef Brands. It's a well-established and much awarded brand that develops, manufactures, and distributes cannabis and CBD-infused products across 7 states, and with more to come with federal legalizations. The company is actively engaged in negotiations to finalize definitive agreements with a number of new white label clients and formalize distribution relationship with provisional distributors, while also focusing on commercial readiness for Q1 and Q2 Canadian launches on their new in-house brands, white label products, and Keef branded product lines. In conclusion, I'm very bullish on BevCanna, and the market bullishness sentiment seems to agree. They have a solid business plan and will be vertically integrated from their own spring down to the end customers. Further, they operate in a growing market with well-known and established brands as investors, giving them access to the US and international markets. As they diversify their revenue streams through white labels and Keef branded products, this will provide a steady income from a young growing company. They will also profit from a broad international media coverage as their stock is being traded in the US, Canada, and Germany. With the recent news catalyst on Friday, expect the stock price to hit $1.50 by next week and will continue its bullish run as they increase investors' awareness. Their products are currently available at thousands of licensed dispensary and delivery services across Colorado, California, Arizona, Nevada, Michigan, Missouri, Oklahoma, Puerto Rico, and Jamaica. Keef Brands was set to intend for BevCanna to produce for them, which would establish steady income and lead to a high utilization rate of their plant while they expand their own brand in parallel. In addition, BevCanna will be key in Keef Brands' expansion into the Canadian market. If you want to read in detail on their last SEDAR filing from November 2020, you can click the link below. This was before they acquired Naturo Group. Under President Biden's leadership, the Democratic Party could alter the marijuana industry in 2021, spreading a new industry boom. Marijuana is the new gold rush. I anticipate the next news catalyst will be from their production ramp to support the increase in revenue from in-house, white label, and Keef branded products. So you don't want to miss the entry opportunity at this price point before the stock leaves for the moon. I have to disclose that I do not yet own any position on BVNNF or BEF in Canada, but come on Tuesday, I will be rotating out of my low-performing stocks into BVNNF. I believe this stock has the potential to trade in the $2 to $4 easily in the coming months. Year 2021 is the year for the cannabis industry. I see this stock to be my next 10X bagger stock. So now could be the last chance to enter BVNNF below the $1 mark. As always, please do your own due diligence. This by no means is a financial advice. I do believe that this is a high risk, high reward stock, so please trade with the money that you can afford to lose. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs.